We're gonna make lemon cookies called Ricciarelli.
Ricciarelli?
Ricciarelli, they're Italian cookies and they're gluten-free because they're made with almond flour. What's this?
Lemon.
A lemon. So what I need first, you gotta pour this into the bowl for me. I need 2 cups of almond flour. There's 1. You better push up your sleeve, buddy. There's number 2. Thank you.
It's like a desert.
Like the desert? Like sand? Oh, I need 2 egg whites, and I went ahead and cracked those. Can you put those egg whites in there? Just tip them in. We'll do it like this. Boop.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what we need? A pinch of salt. You're really good at doing a pinch of salt. Let's do 2 pinches. There's 1. 1 more. Good job. Okay, now you want to stir? We want this all to come together, but we're probably going to need some lemon juice. But first, do you know how to zest a lemon? And look, it's going to smell so good. You put this over here, like that, and then you take the lemon and you go whoosh. You want to try?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, just like that. Ooh, can you smell the lemon? Let's make some more. Oh, does that smell so good? Let's do, I want all of this zest in here. So we're gonna, you see, you don't want that part. That's the white part. It's called the pith. And that part's bitter, but the yellow part is so good. Good job, Rowan. Okay, these cookies are gonna be lemony because you like lemon cookies, right? You like lemon Linzer, but these are gonna be different.
I like a yellow cream and lemon.
Yeah, the yellow in the middle, that's lemon curd in the middle of those cookies that Miss Raina makes at Sugar and Proof, which are quite delicious.
Lemon mincer.
I know.
There's yellow cream inside.
Yes, okay, now stir that together. You stir it together, get all the lemon zest mixed up in there. And while you do that, I'm gonna cut this lemon in half. So I have this lemon, this is called a reamer. And it needs some lemon juice. So what you do is I take the half of the lemon and I hold this and I twist it, and see how the lemon juice is coming out at the bottom?
I can taste it.
Can you push it, and twist it? Push and twist. Really hard. Use your muscles. Push down. There you go. You see the juice coming out at the bottom in the jar? Woo. Our oven is ready. Okay, I'll do some more. Like that, yeah. If you drank it, it would be sour, right? Why don't you pour this in here, and then I'll do some more juice just in case we need it. You just want enough juice to have this all come together like a cookie dough. So keep stirring while I'll make some more juice. Just enough to make it come together like a cookie dough. Got on your Mardi Gras beads. Very festive today, Rowan. All right.
Pat it down.
Pat it down. You know what I forgot? Forgot a critical ingredient here. The sugar. Where did my cup go? Okay, we need some powdered sugar. Cup of powdered sugar.
I can put four.
Okay, and then you want to pour the rest of that lemon juice in there. Perfect. I think it's starting to come together. And you can always adjust. If you got too much lemon juice in there, you can add a little bit more of the almond flour to just make it a nice dough consistency so that it all sticks together. Right, we don't need any more lemon juice. This is how it's supposed to look. We're gonna scoop it out and you get to roll them in some powdered sugar. So that's the powdered sugar. I'm gonna use a cookie scoop.
A cookie scoop.
And I'm gonna drop this in the powdered sugar, and I want you to roll it around in the powdered sugar. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, so roll it around like this. See, look, oh, no, right here. Roll it around in the powdered sugar. And then put it on the cookie sheet. Good job, like that. And then this. Roll it in your hands and put it on the cookie sheet. He doesn't like to get messy. And this is going to make you a healthy dozen cookies. Healthy dozen meaning extra for Cook's treat. Perfect. You are doing it, buddy. I am wearing just as much as he is putting on the cookie. That's all right. Just like that, very gently, just like you're doing. That's great. What's your favorite cookie? Lemon Linzer. From Sugar and Proof. Miss Raina makes those for you. She has a great business in downtown Houston, Brazelton. Okay, I think I have enough for one more cookie. Okay, hang on. To wash our hands. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the oven. So see you soon, cookies. Come hither, Mr. Rowan. Let's try some of these cookies. Lemon Ricciarelli. Which one should we try? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's break it apart. Okay.
There's no lemon inside.
But no, the lemon, remember we grated the lemon and we squeezed the juice? That's your part. We can cheers it. Wanna try? Yeah. Okay, you hold it. Okay, you cheers. Cheers, okay. What do you think?
Good.
That's huge. That's huge. He doesn't typically like much of anything. I'm glad you like these.
I can get lemon rinser every time.
He wants a lemon Linzer every time. But if you can't have a lemon Linzer, do you want this instead?
The lemon rinser.
We tried. Thanks, everybody. See you later.
But.
So see you later.
But.
That's his new word. Woohoo!